Hello, friends. Friends, there is something common between all of us that we want to grow in our life. We want to become successful. We want to earn a lot of money. We want to become rich. Why? Because we want to give good education to our children. We want to give good lifestyle to our family. We want to travel worldwide. And for that, we are ready to work hard. We struggle a lot. Still we are living mediocre life. Why? If you want to know the answer, this video is for you. Friends, today I am going to share with you Wealth Principle 4, whereby you will understand why very few people are wealthy and other people are poor or mediocre. There are different mindsets of rich people and poor people. So if you change your mindset, possibility that you will become rich. Rich people associate with positive and successful people, and poor people associate with negative and unsuccessful people. When poor people hear about other success, they often judge them, pass some bad comments, or try to pull them down to their level. How many people you know like this, or family members like this? How can you learn something from a person you put down? Whenever I am introduced to extremely rich people, I create a way to get together with them, want to talk to them, want to listen to them, want to learn how they think. We exchange cards, we exchange contacts, and I want to find out something common between us, so possibility I can become their personal friend. As I shared in my previous video, energy is contagious, and I want to acquire that positive higher level energy of these rich people. Successful and rich people look at other successful people as a means to motivate themselves. They see other successful people as a knowledge to learn from. And they say, if they can do it, I can do it too. Successful and rich people are grateful to others who have succeeded before them. They have no footsteps to follow to achieve their goals. They say, why to reinvent wheel when their success principles are available? Now, if you have to get rich, the simple thing is you have to learn what rich people who are masters of the money play the money game. Copy exactly what rich people do, what is their mindset, what are the strategies, and you will get the same results. Your association is most important. With whom you associate? With positive people or negative people? With go-getters or complainers? With rich people or poor people? With successful people or failure people? In my experience, rich people don't join any club which is nearby, but they join to connect with other rich and successful people. There is a saying, it is not important how much you know, but it is important who do you know. If you want to fly with eagle, don't swim with duck. Here I make a point, associate with positive and successful people, and importantly, disassociate with negative and unsuccessful people. I keep myself away from toxic situation. I find no reason to get infected with poisonous negative energy. In the current situation of COVID-19, can you go to COVID center when you are healthy, or can you hug corona patient? Absolutely impossible. So always keep yourself away from negative energy people. One more important thing is your comfort level. With whom you are comfortable. Rich people are comfortable with other rich and successful people, and poor people are uncomfortable with other rich and successful people. Why? As I said, this is a matter of comfort. Rich people feel comfortable with other rich and successful people, and they feel fully worthy of being with them. And poor people are uncomfortable with rich people, and they feel they are not belong to these people. And friends, to get rich, you need to change your inner voice, that is your inner belief, and say to yourself, I am as good as other rich people out there. And now I am going to give you a mantra. If you follow this mantra along with your work, you will definitely become rich. And you have to chant this every day in the morning as you get up and in the evening before you go to bed. And that mantra is, I associate with rich and successful people. I copy rich and successful people. If they can do it, I can do it too. I am rich and successful person. So friends, change your mindset. That will change your bank balance and you will become rich. This is Sandesh Kesarinath Raul signing off till we meet again. Thank you.